Consider a monopolist with market demand function P equal to 20 minus Q. It's a multi-plant monopolist, so obviously two more than one plants. Yes, CI cost functions are given, so optimal profit. This one is a general problem. Directly we can solve that. So marginal cost of producing is constant. So marginal cost is 4. So MC equal to MCI equal to 4 for both the firms. So the monopolist would not use both plants as the marginal cost is same. So to avoid paying fixed cost, so to avoid FC, so any one farm is enough or will be used. Okay, so the problem will become now maximize Q into 20 minus total revenue minus 2 minus this, because this 2 will be multiplied. Okay, so marginal cost, so there will be 2 fixed cost here. Okay, so if we do it, so this is 20Q minus Q square minus 2 minus 4Q. Equated with 0, you will get it as 20 minus 2Q minus 4. So 16Q star will be equal to 8. Obviously DDQ. So at 8, profit will be 62. So the profit is 62. Do we have the option? Yes, we have. Last option. 9. So consider a closed economy in which the individual's labor supply L to the firms determined by the amount which maximizes our utility function. Okay, that's good. So alpha plus beta 1 and C maximizes the expenditure taken to the equal income. So labor supply is being asked. So labor supply does not depend on wage rate, and so the relationship between labor supply and wage rate we need to find out. Okay, so let's directly see this. So labor supply is given by the solution of this structure. So if I just do it, maximize L W to the power alpha, wage rate, and L to the power alpha 1 minus L to the power beta. Okay, so since W to the power alpha is a constant, so the optimal level supply, if you just calculate W to the power alpha into L to the power alpha minus 1 minus L to the power beta plus L to the power alpha beta 1 minus L beta minus 1. This thing equated with 0, so will give you the value L star equal to alpha by alpha plus beta. So this thing doesn't depend on the wage rate anyway, so it is independent. So labor supply does not depend on wage rate. Direct answer A. Next question, question number 10. Now the scenario described in question number 9, assume that the economy is Keynesian. That is, the investment, expenditure and autonomous output is determined by the aggregate demand y equal to C plus I. So the aggregate production function is given by y equal to A into L to the power theta, where A greater than 0 is a productivity parameter and 0 less theta less 1. So firm's employment of labor is obtained by the equation of the marginal product of labor to W. So what is the marginal propensity to consume? So if there is an enhancement in his income, so what will happen? So we have it here, W equal to dy dl directly, and that is equal to theta A to the power L theta minus 1, and C equal to the cost equal to WL. There is no K, not RK part is 0. So theta into A into L to the power theta, so theta Y. This has been given. So obviously so the marginal propensity to consume is C equal to theta Y. So dC by dy, that is equal to theta. So the answer to the question is